What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here in Blanchard Springs, and I just want to take a moment to just kind of show you the surroundings. Check that out. I'm about to go back here where I'll have a separate video where I go into detail about the area that I'm in. Kind of a ride to Blanchard Springs. Hopefully my GoPro froze up on me. But I just want to take an opportunity and say thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. I'm at over, I'm at 106 now. And I appreciate all the comments, the likes, the feedback is great. If I'm doing something wrong, heck, let me know. Constructive criticism is always nice. Just want to say thanks to some of the people who have subscribed to me, like Walton, PA, Mr. G 1965. Appreciate you, brother. You always remind me of back home. Love your videos. Let's see. It's hard to remember all these people. Riding in the Ozarks. Ozark HD Riders. Scouse. Anonymous Biker. Saddle Tramp. Easy Rider. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I was in an actual, something else I want to talk about. I was actually in a motorcycle wreck on the way here. I got rear-ended in Louisville, Kentucky. It was like 7:30, so it was dark. Couldn't see anything. Couldn't assess the damage really. So it was like light time or daylight. And so my rear fender got damaged, my tail light got damaged, light bar, I guess that's what it's called. And so I was able to get the parts for that, or I should say the money for that. I'm okay, nothing major happened to me, so other than scared the crap out of me. I probably could have used a diaper. Nah, I'm just kidding. But should make a good video. I'm gonna do the labor myself, and so I'll post that, and we'll see how it goes. Get you another shot of the water. I'm gonna do some fishing here too. Let me know what you think about the fishing. I don't know. I kind of put a little bit of it in my videos. I call it moto fishing. And I did film some other stuff here, but we'll see. So let me know in the comments how you think. I hope I didn't miss anybody. I mean, gosh, there's so many people with subscribers, and like here, let me see if I can think of some. R6 Monkey, there's one. Good stuff. Zed Head. Gosh, who else? There's so many shout outs. I can't remember everybody. And I apologize if I forgot you. Quiet Man. Moto John. Can't forget them. If I forgot about you, I'm sorry. I definitely try to get everybody's, or watch everybody's videos, but I appreciate everybody. Again, thank you very much. Look for some more videos coming soon from me being out here in Arkansas and Missouri. Hopefully I have safe travels home, no more issues. But talk to you soon. See you in the next video. And always rip the ride, baby. See ya.